Welcome to the Traders Help Desk online video collection. This is a trade that came in on the euro, risking 8 ticks, which is my standard stop on the euro. You've already taken Clipper 1 at 16 ticks, Clipper 2 at 32 ticks, and now looking to get Clipper 3. And this is a trade that everyone wanted to get into in the room, but the criteria was not met. And what this trade did, you made a magenta peak over here. It pulled back to within 5 ticks of the ATR, and when it pulled back to within 5 ticks of the ATR, you saw that you had diverging volume, which is what we wanted, and this is what allowed you to enter this trade. So instead of catching a falling knife or forcing a trade, all I did was sit back and wait for the trade to come to me. And this is the problem that most traders have. They don't have definitive entry criteria. They don't let the trade come to them. Instead, they're chasing it. And that's just something that I refuse to do, and I do not endorse it by my traders. So now I would have my stop right at 27.52. And that is because if it goes up to 27.52, you're going to make that magenta peak here. Now, you see that the 45-minute is above 70. So it's, you really do need to have that hard stop in there at 27.52 so that you do not lose all of the profits that you have made. But it very well could pop down here and hit Clipper 3 first. So I'm going to pause the screen, and if it hits Clipper 3, I'll be back on. Okay, still in this trade, and I lowered my stop down to 50, which was just a little bit lower than previous. And that's basically 1 tick above this high. You also have the ATR stop over on the 3-minute. So if it flips the stop without hitting 50, I would be out as well. Okay, I haven't seen a lot of movement. We did make a high here. We've made a new low. So I've actually lowered my stop to 27.40. I'm still waiting to see if we get Clipper 3, which is about 10 ticks away from price at the moment. While we're waiting on either a stop out or Clipper 3 on the euro, I wanted to notate that you've got divergence over on the 45-minute. Now, divergence tells me that this trend is weakening, but in order for it to go up, buyers would need to step into the market. And you can see buyers have failed to step into the market, not only on the 45-minute, but if you're looking at the 3-minute, you're seeing that the buying interest is actually decreasing. So even though the trend is weakening, sellers are still dominating the market because buyers have no interest in taking price up. That's one reason the price has continued to go down. Okay, we're about 5 ticks away from the profit target now. Another 3 ticks. This is not a true wide bar. It's just the other bars have been very, very small. There you have it. So really, from where we opened the trading room this morning to where we are right now, price has moved approximately 100 ticks. A little bit shy of 100 ticks. But because we were patient and waited for the trade criteria, we were able to take 96 ticks out of it. Same thing happened over on the NASDAQ. So it's just a matter of being patient, waiting for your trade setup, and then entering your trade.